Yo, Chuck, what's the move, man? I was on my way up here to the studio, you know what I'm saying?
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Right, so today I'm going to take you through how I do style my hair usually. It's first thing in the morning, so I thought I'd get the camera out quickly, show you what I do, because my hairstyle is more like a men's front quiff. So we've got a bit of texture on top to play with. I've just had a shower, I've just washed my hair this morning. Get the hairdryer, show you what I do to get it in place, and I'll show you how I do style my hair. If you do enjoy this video, don't forget to drop it a like, subscribe if you are new, and let's get into it. So I see you want to wash your hair first thing in the morning, just to get like all the product out of your hair, and then just get a towel, just obviously dry it. Don't be too rough with it, just get it roughly dry. Alright, so next thing, once you've dried it with the towel a bit, I've got this like salt spray. This one's from Black Label. It's called Black Mist. It's like a pre-styling spray, so it does get your hair in place before you actually put any more product in. It's really good. I always use this every day, and it protects your hair from the heat of the hairdryer as well. So I definitely recommend trying this out. It's not sponsored or anything, but definitely go and check it out. I'll link it in the description. Just do a few sprays around the hair. Also smells well nice. Like it smells like an aftershave. Proper nice. Let's get the hairdryer. This is the hairdryer I use. You take the end off as well. At the start, I always like to use it without the nozzle, just because you can get your hair dried quickly. This one's more to get it in place and style it. And I also use a brush sometimes. Sometimes I just use my hands. So it's up to you. Obviously, if you want the front quiff, hair drying is quite important, because you can brush everything down here, and then you can, with the hairdryer, get it into place there. And then before you even put the product in, you could just put hairspray on and have that throughout the day. The product's just the end bit. So now you can see it's more in place, it's a lot more how I want it to be. Now I've put the nozzle on, just get it a little bit more in place, and then we can put all the product in. There we go. See how it just makes a big difference, that styling spray. Right guys, so we've got it into position, like it's looking pretty good, but you want it to stick throughout the day. You want it to be in that same position by the time you get home at 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, after the gym as well. So what we've got is this Schwarzkopf, I don't know how to pronounce it, powder, volumizing powder. We've got VO5 rework putty and some Tresemme hairspray, extreme hold. First off, we've got the powder. We'll just apply a little bit, only a little bit, just dab it in. You can even just put some on your hand if you want. You only want a little bit because it is pretty strong. And you just want to mix it all in. This is just going to give it that bit more texture, and it's going to hold position just a little bit more. Alright, so we're nearly there. You could essentially, if you wanted to, just leave it like this, but it's just going to get messed up in the day, and you don't know what you're going to come back looking like, honestly. So we've got the rework putty from VO5. There's loads of other products you could use, like a matte clay, but this one's just worked best for me, so this is what I've stuck with. It's pretty affordable as well. If there's any other products you think would work for me, let me know in the comments below. You shall. So you don't want much of this, just a little bit. So about that much. Rub it into the hands, so it's all around. See that? It's like quite sticky, which is nice. Right. And then you just want to get it into place. Alright guys, so that is it. It's in place. All the product that I need, like, that is my men's front quiff hairstyle. The final touch, just to keep it there all day, is hairspray. Like, you don't have to use this. Some people say it's bad for your hair, but I just like it there because you know that you can trust in it, and you know you're gonna look good for all day. So even when you go to the gym as well, you're gonna look decent. So just a little bit. Voila, that is it. So that is how that's how I style my hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. Obviously something a little bit different, like how to style my hair, men's front quiff tutorial. If you did enjoy this video, drop it a like. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already for mainly fitness, fashion, style videos. See you later.
On the way to the shop. Well, yo, right now, kick the bass for them brothers and let them know
what goes on. Rolling stones in the rap game, not bragging. Look bigger than Jagger, not sagging. Spell it backwards, I'ma leave it at that.